All right, guys, so today I'm trying out something completely new. This is called bee bread. The company actually sent this out for review, so I wanted to give you my first impressions, try it out, because I seriously have no idea what to expect from it. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and break the seal. This is what you will expect when you get your jar. This is from a company called Tavusker. This is literally just bee bread. There's no additives, nothing is mixed in. It's a single origin batch. You could eat 1 to 2 teaspoons straight. You could actually eat this straight, or you could mix it into your food like yogurt or smoothies. For anyone who's never heard of it, has never heard of bee bread like myself, basically it is pollen that bees mix with a little honey and enzymes, and then it actually ferments inside of the hive. People use this as a nutrient dense or natural food. I've seen this actually a lot online, so I wanted to finally give it a try. Personally, lately, I've been more focused on my food, my health and fitness. I've been experimenting with different natural foods and supplements. I kept hearing about bee bread. This kept coming up, so I figured, why not give it a try? Why not test it out? And we could all find out what it is, what it tastes like, and see how I could use this on my daily routine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and, as my first taste test, I'm gonna eat it straight from the jar. That is how most people eat it. So taking it out of the jar, they're like little pellets. They're little small pellets. It's a little tangy. It's a little sweet. It has like an earthy flavor. It is different. If you've ever had like raw honey, it has like a hint of honey, but I would say more earthy. If you've ever tried like alfalfa or anything like that, like the green grassy taste. But if you are someone that you're looking into a more natural, minimally processed food, this might be something that is worth testing out. Now, it is recommended to go ahead and seal this nice and tight and place it in the fridge, keeping the lid closed, especially once you open it, keeping it away from heat or direct sunlight. If you've been curious yourself about bee products, curious about natural supplements, then this is definitely something to check out. Super natural, non-dairy, non-GMO, no additives, gluten-free, and naturally fermented. From reading reviews, it does mention it helps with recovery. It helps give you that energy throughout the day. So I'm looking forward to continuing this product. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some on my hand just to show you, but they are little small pellets. That is what they look like. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and drop the link down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.